Hello, this is Edmar Cortez. I'm reporting here live at Red Cross. I have the donor of the blood, Mr. Jeb Monhe.
Yo, what's up, man?
How do you feel about the donation of your blood? How do you feel about it? Is it painful or what?
Fucking painful, man. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
it's
So
like
painful, like
parang natira ka sa puwet. Oh, I see.
it's like
By the way, this is what's your name again, Miss Beautiful?
Aiko, sir.
Ivy?
Aiko.
Aiko, si Aiko is the operating woman. Ano ba tawag doon?
Phlebotomist.
Ano ba tawag doon, Miss Aiko?
Phlebotomist.
Ano?
Phlebotomist.
Livoto
Phlebo.
ano ba 'yon? What the fuck?
Phlebo, sir.
Okay. Ito na yung dugo niya. Napakarami na. 1 kilo na.
bilib sila. Ayaw. Sila dudong ano ba? Yeah, please.
May free food pa, with free accommodation, may free pedicure and manicure pa, tsaka food spa. Ito yung makabagong donasyon ng dugo ngayon sa Red
Dita
Cross.
mag-arsa og at dita mamusog sa ato ang
Hindi ka pwede maka-gym go.
kaning
Gym karon buong ka.
Oh, yung pag-gym ayun, sir.
Pag gym go. Basketball ba niya go?
Picture ko sakto na.
Okay na, okay na.
Sir.
Dili.
Dahil sa